Yo, what's up guys? So welcome back to the Math Motion, and as you know, I am a gamer, trader, a college student, and a motorcycle enthusiast. So welcome to the day 6 of my YouTube journey, and there's something I want to tell you that ties everything up in my life, and that is discipline, and and how it showed up in my trade yesterday. So let's get into the trade and trade recap. So a little bit of as you remember yesterday, as I made my trade, I used my strategy, which is I didn't let the whole market to tempt me to go either sell, buy, or it hit like liquidities. I could have one sell on there and everything. I didn't let that go. And I could have traded on New York session when there was news. I didn't go up against that. So yeah. So let's get into it. So as you know, on the day 5 trade, I was trading on London session, which was different, but I also used to like trade on either London session, New York session. The best thing is that you actually trade on one session, but sometimes you have to make some exemptions. So yeah, let's get into it. So what we have here, like as you know, I marked my all like inverse. I used my strategy, so like I went from 1 hour to mark my all highs, a little bit like highs and lows of Asian session and those, and I checked what the trend was of the market, which showed me the uptrend. And using that, I scaled down to 5 minutes, which showed me actually, as you see on the market right there, it showed me like also go up, and using that, I marked up my inverse fair value gap, which is a confluence and also a break of structure, which I waited for it to happen to make sure that the market is showing me that the market is going to go up. So I had 2 confluences already when I was and then I scaled down to 1 minute, looking for a confirmation also, which was a break of also break of structure. So I also marked up my liquidity spots so I could mark up my order block, a breaker block, which also I saw the market going up there and retrace from that, which showed me that the market is going to continue uptrend, and the market did go uptrend. As you see, the outcome was that I made profit of so pretty much it hit my 2 so it hit my 2 selling prices. I sold there half of it, so which in the end the outcome was that the market went down. I sold everything and I made a profit. I stick to my strategy and made sure that I secured the profit, but the most important thing was that it was not the profit, it was the discipline. The truth is that discipline isn't just for trading. As you can see, it shows up in everything I do. I do college, I need to do assignments there. I do gaming, which also needs a lot of patience and everything. And even when I'm on road riding on my bike. So yeah, so everything needs a discipline to do all that. And a little bit of my college is that as a student, deadlines never wait. I can't send a message and then like, can you delay a little bit of that deadline? No, they can't do that. There's no way that's happening. But the only thing, like assignments, exams, projects, like it's like all those things can overwhelm you like a lot, and then it can get hard to you. So but if you're sticking to your discipline and you're like doing a little bit of that, and you're like, you have a schedule on following the plan and keeping on track, like I'm doing on my strategy. When I'm trading, I'm always keeping on my strategy. And so all that helps me to make a successful trade, which takes me to the profit. Everything is discipline. So like all the little things. And yeah, so like, as you know, like all those things combined is a chaos, but like discipline makes chaos into the progress actually. And in the gaming sense, like it's actually almost the same story. You can't just like react instantly, like going anywhere. Like let's say you're playing FPS game, you can't go anywhere, just like start trying to shoot. You're gonna need some game sense. And like if you lose, you don't panic, because like you can like losing and like dying, like you can keep overwhelmed about that, but like but if you want to win and expect to win, you have to have that patience, you have to have that game sense and like a strategy of how to win that game. And yeah, so like it's pretty much learning from your mistakes. And I mostly play Rust myself, and I have a lot of hours in that, so that's what like my main game is. That so like in survival in that game I have a lot of game sense. I have like whenever I don't lose, so like I play a high pop, which actually makes you stress, like there's a lot of people over there, but I don't play the like very badly. So like let's say I make a strategy, like let's say I want to go there, build a base and everything, like secure everything over there. So that's where I want to start, like secure that small spot, like where that no people could go close to, or no one's living there, so like I could get better and get more stuff. And I just like I make a strategy how to win that game and how to actually stay above other people, and that's actually discipline. And everything is yeah, so discipline actually builds skills and consistent performance. Oh yeah, so on my motorcycle, so as you see, like I did try some wheelies, but like as you see, I don't try them on roads and anything like that. There's a parking lot free there. I will try there myself. I know I can get hurt, but that's why I equip all the gears, like to make sure that I never get too badly hurt. And you want to have your gear safe. I always wear my gear when I go to university. It's a long way. I want to wear my gear. It doesn't matter if I don't have anywhere to put it. I actually didn't have anywhere to put it, so but I had the lockers, so I just bought the locker there, rented the locker and put my gear there. So like now I'm good. But yeah, so like, so everything on life you need discipline. Discipline is like what makes the chaos in progress, and pretty much like it lets you step up the next step and next step and next step, and it lets you like get higher level. And also if on trading view, it makes you more profitable. So having a discipline will make you win more trades, and it will help you. So yeah, so I'm just thinking right now, oh yeah, also we're not gonna be making any trades today. So today was like a little bit like a small video of is that on the day 6 I want to make a recap, and also like talk a little bit of discipline. And the lesson I wanted to teach you guys, and it's clear, is that whether it's trading or gaming or college, like you're going to college or riding, like discipline is your foundation. And like you always have to stick to your plan. Sometimes you don't adjust it, just stick to your plan, trust your process, and control what you can control. So yeah. And also one more thing, so small steps every day build real like consistent growth. And if you're expecting to go from here to there, basics is what gonna get you to there. And skipping basics is one thing you don't want to. What I learned in actually Wednesday boxing is that basics are important to get to a higher level. And if you perfect your basics, you're gonna reach a high level of everything. So yeah, so that's how you level up, and not just in market but in life also. And yeah, so that's it for the video, because why I'm not making any trade today is let me show you, is because we had a very high impact news which showed over here, and I don't want to make a trade, and because like also the New York session is closing soon, and tomorrow I'm gonna have more time actually, because I have a lecture at 1 p.m. So yeah, but that's pretty much it. I didn't want to make any trade today, and hopefully you guys, that's fine with you. I will be making a trade tomorrow. I will see. I can't promise that, but I will try my best. If I don't make a trade, I will be uploading something else. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and thanks for watching and joining me on this journey. Drop a comment and let me know what are your thoughts about my video of this video of discipline. And if you haven't already hit the like button or subscribe button, so hit that subscribe button and don't miss out on anything else. And yeah, see you on the next video, and peace out.